Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Looking for the perfect iTunes alternative for transferring files from your iPhone to your PC? In this video, I'll show you how you can do it. Let's go. When looking for the perfect iTunes alternative for transferring files from your iPhone to your PC, this all-in-one iPhone data transfer tool is an excellent choice. It is the most convenient and secure option, especially if you frequently transfer large volumes of photos, videos, and contacts. The tool supports bulk transfers without needing Wi-Fi, has no storage limits, and is fully compatible with iOS 18 and USB-C. It also boasts fast transfer speeds and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to use for even a computer beginner. You can get it all by clicking the link I've provided in the description box below and downloading the tool. Make sure to check the tech specifications. To begin the transfer, launch the tool on your computer and select the phone-to-phone option. Connect both mobile devices to your PC. Note that I use two iPhones for this demonstration, but if you're using an Android device, you must enable USB debugging. After connecting, follow the on-screen prompts. Once both phones are connected and trusted, simply designate one as the source and the other as the target. Click Next, and the tools will be downloaded to your Android if you're using one. Use also the guide to turn off Find My iPhone in the Settings app. When it asks you to do so, set the tool as your default SMS app for now. The software will then guide you to set it back to Messages after the transfer is complete. After setting it all up, choose the files you want to transfer. In the bottom right corner, you can see if there is enough space to store them. Click Transfer to start the data transfer process from your mobile devices and keep them connected until the entire process is complete. To transfer files from your phone to the computer or vice versa, launch the tool first on your PC. Then choose Phone to PC or PC to Phone on the main screen. And click the Next button to move on. Select here the category you want to copy from your source to your target. You can also specify where to store the transferred items in advance. Otherwise, they will be placed on the desktop by default. Afterward, click the Transfer button to start copying the files to your computer or mobile. Depending on the size of the files, this process may take a few seconds or a while. Wait for the transfer process to finish. Once it is complete, go to the selected folder to check the items. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.